What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're talking about the redesigned Toyota Tacoma. So I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. As you can tell by the way that I parked, I didn't even have time to park. I'm so excited for what's to come. I don't know about you, but I'm subscribed to TFL Truck. They upload a lot of really good content. Check them out. I'm gonna link their video in the description because this is what I'm talking about. They got pictures of the new Toyota Tacoma. Completely covered, you can't see much, but you can see enough to get excited about, and that's what we're talking about in today's video. The new Tacoma is coming sooner than I expected. So if you're at all excited, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We're about to start talking about it, and man, oh man, it's coming, like soon. So being that the new Tundra just got announced, I would have thought that they would have maybe waited a little bit, but they kind of just went at it right away. Go check out the video that I have linked in the description and then come back, because there's a couple pictures that, well, I don't want to take from their channel. I feel like it's only right for you to go check it out on their channel, then come back and we can talk about it. So let's talk about a few things. Let's talk about exterior looks, interior looks, and powertrain, because those are the three most important things that I want to talk about in this video. So let's talk about the powertrain first. Let's talk about it because, well, we already know what's coming. A 4-cylinder turbo. I wish and I hope that they keep some type of V6. We prayed for the V8, we didn't get it. We're praying for the V6, but I don't think it's gonna happen. It would be cool to have a detuned V6 from the Tundra, make the reliability a little bit better since they're focused on one engine, making it the best it can be, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Nonetheless, a Turbo 4, I do know it's in some of the Lexus products, and well, another YouTuber that I watch, the Straight Pipes, they recently reviewed a 4-cylinder turbo. That vehicle, they were impressed. They said that it's pretty quick, it's pretty peppy. Good news for us, we may get that in the Tacoma. So I don't have exact numbers, but of course, Toyota's nothing crazy. They're not Ram or Ford trying to, you know, break horsepower measures. They're just trying to be good economical vehicles, and well, I don't think it's going to be anything out of this world, but nonetheless, I think they're going to go with the 4-cylinder turbo, and I think they're also going to put like an 8-speed or 10-speed transmission into this truck, which would be pretty cool, which would be pretty sick. Of course, that leads to gear hunting with 10 gears. The truck is going to have multiple gears to choose from, and well, that should be fun. Hopefully it's fun and not sarcasm. Number two, definitely go take a look at the pictures because, well, I'm about to talk about them now. So it's gonna look like the new Tundra. I don't know how you feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that. I remember when I first saw the new Tundra, I told Sandy right away, I hope they do not do this. I hope they do not make this Tacoma all squared off and all futuristic looking, because, well, I just don't want that. I'm not interested in it. I love the look of this truck. It looks kind of old school, but it looks kind of rugged. It looks mean, it looks nice. I love the look of this Tacoma, and well, I just don't want to see it go, but I definitely think it's going to happen. I think they're going to go out with a more squared fascia. They're definitely going to get a little bit closer to that new Tundra, and then, well, everything is just going to be more aggressive, more muscular, more toned, and well, that can be a good thing, that can be a bad thing. What if they add some type of wider Tacoma? I don't know. I think it's going to be super sick. I think it's going to be super exciting. If you guys like, comment, and subscribe, maybe my YouTube channel will grow enough, right? It'll grow enough to the point where Toyota will see my YouTube channel and invite me out to one of those events. That would be amazing. That would be awesome. So like, comment, subscribe, so that way maybe one day I can bring to you guys the content that we all want to see. I think the interior on this truck in the redesign is gonna be sick. First things first, I think power seating is gonna end up on this side. I think this is gonna be bigger. I think that is gonna be gone. I think this is gonna be redesigned. I think this is gonna be redesigned. I think these are gonna be all new. And I think features are gonna be abundant. Now, I don't know about you, but that gets me rolling. That gets me excited. I cannot wait, but I also can. I just ordered a bunch of modifications for this truck. Unfortunately, we don't have close enough delivery dates on most of this stuff, but we have some smaller things coming in. Modifications will start in November on this truck, so that's exciting. But I'm about to start modding this, spending all this money on this truck, maybe I should just save it so that I can buy like the highest trim Tacoma. I made the videos previously kind of joking. I didn't think this truck was gonna come out to like 2024, 25, 2023 is what they're guessing. I'm thinking mid 2023, early 2024 is when this new Tacoma is coming out. So that gives us 2 years, but in 2 years, a lot could happen. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.